Quail bird 3 pieces. Sour yogurt 2 tablespoons. Ginger, garlic paste ½ cup. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Hot spices 3 to 4 pieces. Chopped onion 1 cup. Turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, hot spices 1 teaspoon each. Salt to taste. First soak the quails with soy sauce, sour curd and light salt and marinate for 1 hour. Then pour oil in a pan and fry it with whole hot spices. Lightly browned with chopped onion for a while. Fry it with ginger and garlic for a while more. Then cover all of them with light water with hot spices, stir well after a while. Now marinate the birds with the seasoning and cover again. When well cooked, lower and serve. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found out this videos helpful, then hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, have a great day ahead.